Guys, we are in Ikea window shopping because I got no money. Ay! Kikita na ko si Bob. Ito yung mga lansweet. Diba? Hala, I like this one. This one here, guys. Oh. I don't like this. Oh, that's... Sit there. Oh, yeah. I don't like this. Your skin will stick in it. See this one here? Oh, this one here. It's Ikea, guys, huh? So there's a chair, bits and pieces over there. This one there. This is Ikea. Ikea. I'm just following them. Oh, there's a rattan here. There's a coffee tables. Oh, the rocking chair here. It's there. We are just accompanying her, my husband's sister here. So yeah, and I'm the carer. Oh yeah, look at this one here. I think it's a bedroom. I don't like the white one. Oh, I like the cabinet. So nice. It's so nice. Oh, nice. That's good for you. Oh, lovely. You can sleep there.
Good.
Yeah.
Get other chairs to go with it though.
How much for that?
470.
Oh, yeah.
But it has to get something to match with it, like a couple of chairs.
I tried it one too. Okay, there's guys. Ranking this one here. Oh shit! Oh, look at that, guys. It's all the furniture here. Diba? That's your living room. Could it be that? Oh, look at that. There. Oh, this one here. It's a key. There's a basket there. Oh, look. There's your phone there. Oh, your books. Oh, that's $19. It's cheap. At school. What, you got it? Welcome to the Butcher family. Naami diri sa furniture. Naami sa Ikea. I'm just back up lang ako dito, guys. Window shopping lang ako. Diba, tingnan nyo. Marami dito. Maraming tao dito. Look at that. Oh, diba maganda? Ito yung napili niya. Ang daming tao. Doon sila naka-line niya pa. Ewan ko anong nangyari doon sa... Itong vlog mo na ako dito. Ito, maganda dito is for your library. Nice. Your library. Oh, diba? Bongga. Tapos may computer ka pa dito. Oh, diba? Dyan ka lang dyan. Tapos ang ganda. It's Ikea. It's good. It's yeah, bongga, diba? Oh, tapos may ganyan pa. Oh, diba? Nga lang ito yung ano mo. Said library. Okay. Oh, ito kung gusto mo ng maraming clock. Ito yung gawin mo. Diba? Marami. May New York, may London, may Bulawayo, Shanghai, and Perth. Dito. Ito yung mga table. Mga table ito dito. Maliit na table. Like coffee table. Tapos nandito yung fire exit. Diba? Tingnan muna natin yung mga fire exit dyan. Oh, this one here, look at this, guys. That's USB. Alright, it's coffee table here. Coffee table. Yeah, look at that. Show you around. Oh, look at that. Table. Oh, that's coffee table. Yeah. That's laundry there. Oh, it's besties. I don't know what is this, but I get lost soon. Shopping ko. Hindi magsha-shopping, guys. Hindi ako. Come on. Oh, it's a bed over there.
Yeah, it just flows through.
Yeah, it is. $199. It's $199. It's on sale. Whatever.
Oh, that's different.
That one there.
That's better.
Yeah, this one.
that
Oh, this one?
This one.
Oh, yeah.
So do we have to go to the south again? Oh no, this is self-serving.
Is it?
Yeah, that because it's have to assemble this one.
So that's one money.
Yep. Sa mga cabinet out table. Tuk 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 tuk. Ah, nice. Shelves. You need some shelves. Oh, yeah. What's this? Oh, yeah. You know the cube that we like up here? I like that one. $149.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
No, they're great.
Yeah, I like that one. Come back next time, baby.
Look at the baskets. That was what your basket was for.
Yeah, I know.
Well, that's what that's for. See?
Uh, is it?
So,
That's a good one. With all your bits and pieces. This one here. Is it removable, isn't it? Oh no.
It is removable. You gotta.
There's a hook. Yeah, okay.
instead of that cabinet, but we'll see. See
Yeah.
what it looks like. If it doesn't look any good, then I'll sell it.
Just wait for that. Oh, this one here. It's cool.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is. They're selling it a bit expensive on second hand. Second hand is about like 50 or 90. And I'm like, what? You're joking. This is cool. Look. Oh, what I have done here.
Do you think the bedside tables will be back where the beds are? Oh, we haven't got to the
We've got to
beds.
the bed, yeah.
I think they're the lounges.
Dito ka kayo. Mag-ano ako dito. Mag-vlog. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah? Ako yung taga-vlog dito. Oh, dito tayo. Here's the kitchen. The kitchen. Oh, yeah. I like the kitchen. I don't like this one. Is it that one?
I might just get a half one somewhere.
Kitchen. Oh, nice. 4,500.
$600 for the outdoor setting, that's not cheap.
This is it. It's a bedroom. What's in here? Oh, okay. So, loads of bits and pieces.
No, that's the desk in the bathroom.
What's this for? What's this for?
Shower?
Oh, yeah.
Non-slip in the shower?
I don't think so. Ah, that's for the cabinet. See this one here?
Yeah.
Brilliant stuff. All the colors. Oh.